What I find here? Some planters. Oh, I want a ceramic one. I don't want a plastic one. Christmas tree stand. I have a fake Christmas tree. Black one, but I still haven't even put up yet. I don't know if I put it up. No, I don't even think I put it up the first year. Oh, look at that. Looks like a heart. Upside down heart. Yeah, somebody's heart's upside down. Oh, look at condoms. Maybe somebody didn't use protection or something. I don't know. Yeah, somebody who's not in good health right now. Yeah, so picking up. Anyways, what is this? A cheetah? Oh, a cheetah. Is that a cheetah? What the hell is that? No, cheetah has dots. This has stripes. Is that a zebra? What the hell is that? A dog? A cow? A pig? A pig. That's a muddy pig. Oh, so a pig is in regret. So it could be somebody that was born in the year of the pig. Look at the humps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. My lovely lady humps. My humps. My humps. Okay. Okay, I don't know why I'm getting, but somebody's dealing with impotence. Yep. Somebody's dealing with impotence. Yeah, and bad health, and just probably somebody that was very reckless with their sexual life. Yeah. That's so crazy.